Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Sharma. My PPT is on leadership and adversity and crisis, handling employee, submitted to Professor Vanita Elawat ma'am. What great leaders do in face of adversity? Leaders take responsibility. A great leader is accountable for the setbacks and take responsibility for his or her actions. Leaders focus on the strength. Leaders remember the missions. Leaders understand when to be emotional. Leaders do not take things personal. Showing leadership in a crisis, blood on the floor. What is a crisis? A show stopping, people stopping, product stopping, country stopping event. Media spotlight is firmly on you, your brand, your response. Significant business interruption. A single moment in life, all crises have triggering events. Why crisis management has changed forever? Paul, characteristic of crisis leader. Crisis leadership improvise short-term individual top-down plan, long-term collective bottom-up. Why some leaders shine and other fails. Unconditional honesty from start. The number of casualties he said will be more than any of us bear. Ultimately excellent communication skill. Ob- Obfuscation. The Gulf of Mexico is a very big ocean. He was quoted saying by Daily Mail, the volume of oil and dispersant we are putting into it tiny relation to the total water volume. Blame game equipment. This was not our accident. This was not our drilling. This was transoceanic, their system, their people, their equipments. Crisis management 10 commandment. You shall always have a crisis plan and keep it handy. You shall tell it all, tell it fast, and tell it honestly. You shall stare the devil down and be brave. You shall love the media, new and old, embrace them. You shall communicate widely, consistently, and action based. You shall have crisis management team. You shall practice and train, and you shall like it. You shall have train spokesperson including the front line and use them consistently. You shall refuse temptation to blame, speculate, and muddy the waters. You shall demonstrate compassion. Handling an employee. First stage. Informational action. Line manager has a quiet word with employee to settle the matter. Second stage. If grievance is not resolved, employee write formal grievance letter. Second, formal writing with minutes taken. Employee is accompanied with and witness present if requested. Third, investigation. Depending on com- depending on complexity management, adjourn meeting for the further investigation. Communication design. Manager are considered all information and communicate decision to employee with 10 working days. Manager keep record and discussion and forward copy to employees. Remember the two golden rules of handling employee grievances. Golden rule 1. Ask, what outcome do you want from this grievance? Golden rule 2. Be prepared. Check there is an up to date grievance and procedure in place published in the company handbook. Be prepared. Thank you so much.